The year was 1241, a time of darkness and despair for the Eastern European principalities. A formidable enemy was poised at the edge of the known world, ready to tear through the fragile borders that separated the East from the West. This enemy was none other than the Mongol Empire, under the command of the great Genghis Khan's successor, Batu Khan. The Mongols, a nomadic people from the vast deserts of Central Asia, were like a storm sweeping across the land, leaving destruction in their wake. The Mongols had already conquered vast territories, from China to Persia, and now their sights were set on Europe. They were a fearsome force, with their swift horses, powerful archers, and ruthless tactics. The first to feel the wrath of the Mongols were the Russians. The city of Kiev, the heart of the Kievan Rus, fell under siege. The Mongols, led by Batu Khan, stormed the city, killing thousands and leaving the once great city in ruins. The devastation was unparalleled. Entire families were wiped out, crops were burned, and cities were reduced to rubble. The Mongols showed no mercy, their only goal being the expansion of their empire. But the Mongols did not stop at the Russians. They pushed westward, invading Poland and Hungary. The Polish army, despite their bravery, was no match for the Mongol cavalry. The Hungarians fared no better, their cities sacked and their people slaughtered. The Mongols continued their relentless march, leaving a trail of destruction in their wake. But as they pushed further west, they began to face more organized and formidable resistance. The Europeans, though outnumbered, fought with a determination that the Mongols had not expected. The Mongol Empire, though vast and powerful, was not invincible. The Europeans, with their fortified cities and organized armies, were able to hold back the tide of the Mongol advance. The Mongols, who had conquered vast territories with ease, found themselves stalled in Europe. The Mongol invasions of Europe marked a turning point in history. The Mongols, despite their initial success, were unable to conquer Europe as they had other lands. The Europeans, though battered and bruised, had shown that they could stand against the Mongol onslaught. The legacy of the Mongol invasions can still be felt today. The cities they destroyed were rebuilt, stronger and more fortified than before. The Europeans, though scarred by the invasions, learned valuable lessons about warfare and strategy. They used these lessons to build a stronger Europe, one that was better prepared to face the challenges of the future. The Mongol invasions of Europe were a dark chapter in history, but they also marked a turning point. The Europeans, though battered and bruised, stood their ground and fought back. The Mongols, though powerful, found themselves unable to conquer Europe as they had other lands. The legacy of the Mongol invasions can still be felt today, a testament to the resilience and determination of the European people.